Hello, Sage reporting for Kalkine. Thank you for yet again joining us. Please stay tuned for the Australian Stock Market Open Report. ASX 200 today, market drops in opening trade and miners are down. In summary, the Australian benchmark equity index ASX 200 on Thursday opened slightly lower, down 0.50 points to 6,824.10. The ASX 300 metals and mining was down 1.243%, while the ASX 200 materials was lower by 0.798%. In the opening trade, the bottom performing stocks were Northern Star Resources Limited and Saracen Minerals Holdings Limited, down 4.21% and 4.09% respectively. On Wednesday, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed higher by 36.12 points or 0.12% to 30,723.60, the S&P 500 advanced 3.86 points or 0.10% to 3,830.17. The tech-heavy NASDAQ Composite closed down just 2.23 points or 0.016% to 13,610.54. The Russell 2000 index of smaller companies rose 8.26 points or 0.4% to 2,159.70. The US stocks extended their gains to the third straight day on strong corporate earnings and hiring data. In gainers and losers in the opening trade, the bottom performing stocks were Northern Star Resources Limited and Saracen Minerals Holdings Limited, down 4.21% and 4.09% respectively. BNPL Major Afterpay fell as much as 1.64%. In sectoral movement, while the ASX 200 real estate was higher 2.433%, the ASX 200 communication services was up 1.537%. The ASX 200 financials rose 1.468%. On the other hand, the ASX 300 metals and mining was down 1.243%, while the ASX 200 materials was lower by 0.798%. Making the news, Nick Scali Limited reported robust earnings for the half year ended 31st December 2020 with net profit after tax, or NPAT, of $40.5 Australian million, a nearly 100% growth on an underlying basis. Origin Energy stock was trading lower after the company cut full-year guidance for the energy markets division in the range of $1 billion Australian dollars to $1.14 billion Australian dollars. AGL shares were down after the announcement that it would recognise charges of $2.686 billion Australian dollars in its financial statements for the period ending December 31st. BHP was trading down 0.5%, while Westpac was up just 0.2%. Thank you for joining us. Hopefully you found this informative. Sage here for Kalkine.